Pay no mind to the bags of candy. I don't know how those got here. You all know I'm a health nut. That is, if you consider Spam healthy. I'm going to do a flashlight comparison. All three of these I've bought. I've mentioned before that I'm not reviewing anything that I don't buy with my own money. This is a Maglite 3D cell 3rd gen. And since I bought this, I've had it a few years, they've come out with a 300, what do they call it? Right here. Yeah, that's it. The 300, which is 694 lumens. It's actually cheaper than that. I see it elsewhere for like 80 bucks. Well, that's kind of expensive. But here's what I already know. That Maglite is really, really honest with their lumens. And other flashlights, man, if they say it's 1200 lumens, you know, divided by a third or 3. So that being said, this is not going to be 100% fair comparison because this is really old. It's older technology. And if I'm not mistaken, these were to like 290 lumens max. It is super freaking bright. And I really love this flashlight. I just can't imagine having one of these with, because they're honest about their lumens, I know this has got to be super, super bright. Catch your woods on fire, you know, if you leave the spot on. Anyway, so I'm going to compare this against this. And this is Utilitech, rated for 1200 lumens. We'll see. It's got 3 LEDs. I don't know if they're Cree or not. This is a 3D cell. This is a 3D cell. And I bought this at Lowe's on sale. Well, I thought it was 10 bucks. And I went back there the next day because I was going to buy another one. And actually what I was looking at was the 700 lumen flashlight like this was 10 bucks, $9.98, and this was $18.98. I didn't realize I actually paid more for it because I bought a whole bunch of other stuff. And you know, I didn't notice that I paid another $8 for it. But still, I've used this flashlight and it is pretty dang bright. I don't know about 1200 lumens bright, but I will compare it against this tonight. This is only, you know, 200, 295. I really can't find any information on this, but I remember when I bought it, it was, you know, 300 or less lumens. And now today, I bought one today that I'm kind of interested in. It's Bushnell Pro, 1500 lumen. I'll give you a wide shot. And it's supposed to be rechargeable, and what I suspect is that these have the 18650 batteries in them. So let me get this out of this, and I'm going to open it up and have a look at it. We'll be right back. Well, I thought I might be able to unscrew the tail cap to see what kind of battery is in there. And I'm sure you can, but I'd have to put this in a vise, put a pair of pliers on that. Or maybe it would come off from this end, I don't know. But I don't want to mess it up or anything. So I won't, until I have to, I won't open this up. But here's the thing. It has a USB, mini USB port, and that's how you charge it. Also, you can charge other things off that mini USB. You can charge a phone. Of course, you'd have to have an adapter for that, for your phone. But you can use the juice in this to charge other things. Comes with this. You can charge this directly off your computer, which takes a lot longer. Or you can charge it off of this in the wall, you know, and doesn't take near as long. And there's a light here that changes from red to green when it's charged. So I'm going to go plug this in. And tonight, we'll take these outside. I've already turned this on. Wow. It's bright. And tonight, I'll bring them outside and we'll compare all three. All right, I'm fixing to go outside, and it's dark 30 out there. But let me tell you what I'm going to be showing you. This is a maglite. It's 2D cells, and it is 525 lumens. This is the maglite, 3D cell, 625 lumens. This is utilitech, 3D cell, 1200 lumens. This is the Bushnell Pro, 1500 lumens. So I'm gonna go outside and get this on a tripod and turn off a couple of my outside lights, and we'll do a little comparison. All right. This is the 2-cell maglite, 525 lumens. Okay. This is the 3-cell maglite, 625 lumens. Here is the utilitech, allegedly 1200 lumens. We'll see. Oh, that is bright. Good golly. Huh, that is bright. Yeah, I like that. Here's what I don't like though. You got to hit this button 3 times to get it to go off. And here is the Bushnell Pro 1500 lumens. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is an incredibly bright light right there. Incredibly bright light. I am glad I bought this. Jeez. Well, I believe it. 1500. I'll tell you what, they all 4 seem to be honest about their lumens. I do like my maglites, but this here, Bushnell Pro 1500, this is my new favorite. Good Lord, that is super, super bright. Okay, well, I'm glad I did this. Thanks for watching, y'all. Yeah, it was just a little worn. I probably could have got another season or 2 out of it, but I like to replace stuff before they go bad. Just a little worn. You what on? You need a basket?
I do.
Okay, 2 heads are better than 1. Okay, if you were a cop and you pulled this over, what would you think if you saw 2 baggies full of stuff laying on the floor back here? That's flower seeds, but you know, if a cop was sticking his head in your window and looked down there inside 2 baggies, I guarantee you he'd want to investigate.
Like zinnia seed to me. So.
Well, to you it looks like zinnia seed, but to the untrained eye, looks like you know, stuff.